Junkyard Find 1987 Machiavelli Max GTS. The legion of kit cars that emerged in the 1980s is an interesting set of attempts to create clones of some of the most popular sports cars that came out during the Miami police era. We learned about the existence of this car only when we saw it in a landfill. The first thing we thought was, whoa, these must be the incredibly rich people. They threw away a Ferrari 308 in the landfill. They must be either very generous or completely insane. But looking closer, we realized that something was wrong with this Ferrari. On the outside, it looks very similar, but there are some tricks. It turned out that this is not a Ferrari, but Machiavelli. Machiavelli Max GTS to be exact. Did you know such a car existed? Well, we didn't until this moment. But it is not surprising because it was never mass-produced. Machiavelli is the creation of a Miami-based Henderson tuning studio and was produced exclusively as a kit car, a construction kit for adults. You buy a few huge boxes of spare parts and a fiberglass body. Bring it all into your garage, and for the next few months, you will be busy creating a Ferrari replica. The base for Machiavelli was the Pontiac Trans Am, so there are no problems with spare parts. If necessary, it is easy to restore the car, as you can get parts right in the same landfill. The restoration, by the way, makes sense, because the total number of produced kit cars was only 12 pieces. But the reconstruction of cars is quite unpopular in the USA, which is why such a unique car languishes in a landfill.
Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing, and bye bye.